I am super happy that you clicked on this video because I will be exposing my creation strategy that I have been using for the past couple of months now to make hundreds of thousands of dollars from Memecoin launching. Now, I am not here to sell you a course or to gatekeep. I'm here to show you the process from A to Z all right now, and then I will do a live launch to show you that I am actually transparent. So without wasting time, let's go. Now, here's exactly why you need to focus on deving and you guys have to stop trading. Most meme coins on Solana, right, when they are created and actually launched on chain, they end up going to zero, whether it's on the same day in 10 minutes or the next day. It does not matter, bro. Eventually the coins will dump. There is no future for most meme coins, and that's why you guys need to stop trading, because you have no clue if when you buy in the coin is going to dump. You have no clue at all, and that's exactly why I highly recommend to start deving, because now we are going to be the ones creating these coins, waiting for buyers, and then just selling our supply into all the buying pressure. And you can do that over and over again as a repeatable strategy. Now I will show you the entire strategy from A to Z. It's fully repeatable, fully mechanical, it costs nothing, and that's exactly why I love creating coins all live right now. And by the way guys, I am not a financial advisor. I do not claim to be one. Yes, I do make money from deving, but it is all for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice cap. Now the first ever step is to know where to launch your meme coins and how to launch them. Now look, I make my coins on a launchpad called coinslaunch.io. By making your meme coins here, your coins are going to go directly to Raydium right here in the migration section, where thousands of potential traders could buy your meme coin. As you guys can see here, the most recent launch on Raydium is gaining so much traction. It's pumping so much. Look at all the views on this meme coin. That's exactly why you guys need to start launching coins on Raydium instead of Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is completely dead. No one buys these coins, bro. Like, just stop launching here and launch on coinslaunch.io for Raydium. Yeah. Now, to actually create a coin, bro, you have a couple options. You have the free trade tracker. You could create your own coin from scratch, or you can use my personal favorite method that I have been using every single day for the past year, and that is copying coins. It's the same exact thing as vamping. Every single meme coin here is a viral coin launched on Raydium. They're all proven. They've all went viral before, which means they can go viral again and get a couple buyers, right? So we're going to be copying one of these coins back to Raydium and using that narrative to make money. You guys will see with a live launch right now. I will be copying a coin. So first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is well connected, and let's now copy a coin and see how much we can make. Keep watching, take notes, or just watch. So go for any narrative. I don't care which one. Just make sure that you haven't copied the coin twice. So I'm gonna go for this one, right? Or I don't care really. I'm gonna go for like this one, right? It's a random coin. Click on copy the Raydium right here. Ignore the block right here. This is completely normal, okay? Every launchpad will get this. Click on proceed, confirm here, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just wait a couple seconds. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create the pool like that our coin can be live. Now for the supply, click on 90%. This will drop 90% of the supply, right? For the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose anything. If you want this back, you can, bro. It's just a first buy like that. You can have supply for yourself and make money. That is the whole point, right? Click on create pool. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin is live, right? Wait a second. Boom, it's live. Click on refresh once, and boom, it's live. Now people are able to see your coin and buy in. You have your piano here. Let's go see the chart now. So, as you guys can see, oh my god, it's already pumping. This is exactly what I mean, guys. Launching coins is the meta in 2026. So many people are buying in. Okay, people are selling, buying, $60 buy, ooh, $100 sell. Let's go see how much we're up right now. Come back to coins launch, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're up to $60 already within seconds. That is insane. That means people love our coin. Now all you have to do is let your coin marinate, let the coin pump, let people buy in, okay? Even though it goes down, it's not a big deal. You are not losing anything. So I'm gonna just wait a couple seconds and be right back. Alright guys, I am back and let's cash this out. So we're up a lot. Let's cash out. Okay, come back to coins launch, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, we're up 2.6k. Oh my god, that's insane. Within 10 minutes, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block real quick. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the payout should be in your Phantom Wallet in a second. Boom, you just cash out. You have the notification right there. Click on your Phantom Wallet, and as you guys can see, boom, we're up 2.6k. It's in my Phantom Wallet, 36 SOL in my Phantom Wallet from launching coins on Raydium using coinslaunch.io. Guys, I have one tip: stay consistent, never give up, just launch, launch, and launch.